Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a TradeStation account. To sign up or create a new account on TradeStation, first of all, launch open the TradeStation application on your device and you will then be able to see this interface where you can log into an existing account or create a new one. To create a new account, tap on Open New Account option. You will then be able to see this website where you can tap on Sign Up in order to start up the sign up process. Now, in the account setup page, you will then need to enter your information such as your name, country of residence, email address, phone number, and so on. Make sure to enter all of the information correct. After doing so, head over to the login credential option and create a username for yourself. Make sure to create a password matching these criteria. Confirm the new password by re-entering it again, and finally at the bottom of the screen tap the next button and follow through the prompts. You may be asked about your financial background, investment experience, and goals to help TradeStation understand your risk tolerance and the best products to offer. Follow through the prompts and then verify your identity. You may need to submit additional documents like a government-issued ID. After filling in all of the necessary information, you will then be able to complete your account setup for TradeStation. So that's how you easily sign up for TradeStation. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Trading for Beginners for more tutorials. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.